Hello everyone, it's Dale here. Welcome to the new weekly trading ideas video. Today we are going to cover 3 trading ideas. The first one will be on the ES, then we will cover the euro dollar, and then we will cover a trading idea on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Now, before that, what I want to do is do a little recap of the trades and the predictions from the previous weekly trading ideas video. What you see on your screen here, this is the TradingView website, and here I publish the trading ideas, and those 3, those are the ones from the previous week. So let's check them out one by one and let's see how they played out. So the first one was on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. We had a resistance, this one. This resistance still did not get hit. As you can see, it's still not tested, right? So this is a still viable trade to take. We just need to wait, for that pullback and then go short from there. All right. Now the next one, that's US dollar, jeopardizing, and this is actually a trade which I took earlier today. So let me load a couple of bars here so you can see the outcome. So this was the level, this was the support. Based on those heavy volumes, right here, this was the reaction. So I took a profit here earlier today. Good trade. By the way, stop loss was below a wick of this candle, so the price missed that and then it went into the full profit. So that's good. And the next one, that's on the ES. This was a beautiful trade based on this support, which was based on the fair value gap and the volumes before the gap. And if I zoom out a bit, you can see how it played out. Right, this was the support and this was the reaction. Super quick trade. All right, so there were 2 winners, one level which is still viable to trade because it hasn't got tested. All right, so that's for the past trades, and let's now go into the new trading ideas. But before that, just a quick note, if you guys are interested in trading with me and other prop firm traders in live trading room, then what I recommend is going to my website, which is traderdale.com, and if you click this button, FTA, then it will take you straight to this page where you can sign up with us. The reason I'm saying this is that currently we are running a 10% discount on the Funded Trader Academy. The sale is ending today, right? So if you want to join us, then book a call in here. There's a one-on-one call. You can book that on this calendar here, and there we'll walk you through the service and show you around, and then you can decide whether or not this is right for you. All right. Don't forget the 10% discount sale is ending today. All right. So anyways, that's about that. And let's now go to the charts and talk about the trading ideas. So what you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform, and the chart is the ES 30-minute time frame. In here there are 2 new resistances, this one at 56.19 and this one 56.51. Both those are based on the strong sell-off which took place on Friday and on heavy volumes which got traded during that sell. And by that I mean those heavy volumes and those heavy volumes, right? Those were sellers who were adding to their short positions as the price was dropping, and as you can see, my levels are at the beginnings of those heavy volume zones, right? Those are places where the price is likely to turn. So if there's a pullback, then chances are that the sellers will want to defend this place, which is clearly important for them, and push the price downwards from there. An ideal scenario would be another pullback like this and another reaction from the level which is a bit higher. Now, the lower level, there aren't really any confluences. Only for this fair value gap, obviously there's a fair value gap, which is from Smart Money Concepts, and the fair value gap adds strength to the level. But the higher level, there's even better confluence, I would say. And the thing is that there was this beautiful low. This means that this was a support in the past because the price was reacting to this level in the past so nicely. So this was a support, and when the price blew past the support in here, it turned into a resistance, right? And at the same time, you can see that it is at the beginning of this heavy volume zone. So that's a beautiful confluence, my favorite trading combo actually. So yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trading this one. Right, so right now we just wait. I'll just have a limit orders there so I don't miss the trades and jump into short from here and then into short from here. Alright, so that's for the ES. This setup is called the trend setup. I like to trade it when there's a trend like this one. Alright, so let's go for the next one. The next one is on the euro. So what you see before you is a 30-minute chart of the euro dollar. And the level that I want to talk about is a support in here at 1.0774. This support is based on heavy volume zone, this one, and on strong buying activity after this heavy volume zone got formed. This is telling me that buyers were building up their long positions here and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards, and that's a place where I like to trade from. And I like to trade from the beginning of the strong buying activity, which is marked by the beginning of the fair value gap. This is the fair value gap, highlighted in green. This whole area, that's the fair value gap. My level is at the beginning of the fair value gap, right? In here. So that's how I like to place my levels. If you look at the heavy volume zone more closely, then you can see that there are actually like two smaller heavy volume zones, this one and this one. I chose to trade from the beginning of this one because it is the beginning of the fair value gap, right? This fair value gap. So that's the reason the level is where it is. Alright, so right now we just need to wait, and when the price comes back to this level, if it comes back to this level, then take it from there. Alright, so that's for the euro, and let's now go for the next trading idea, and the next one is on the US dollar, Canadian dollar. So, on the US dollar, Canadian dollar, what you see before you is a 30-minute chart, and what I wanted to point out is this downtrend turning into this uptrend. The place where the trend changed was this one, right? This place. Now, if you look into a volume distribution in this area, you can see that there were actually pretty heavy volumes there. Those heavy volumes. By the way, also nicely visible on the weekly volume profile right here. So, sellers were pushing the price downwards. Then buyers started to buy aggressively in here, buying everything the sellers had to sell, and eventually pushing the price upwards into this new uptrend, right? And this heavy volume zone is a very important place because this is where the trend changed and also where the heavy volumes were traded. This is the level that I like to trade from, a support at 1.4252. When the price comes to that level, I think that that'll be a nice reaction, as the buyers from here will want to defend this place, which is clearly important for them, right? Now, the level is exactly at this level because there's this little fair value gap. Also, this is the beginning of this buying activity, and also more or less the beginning of that heavy volume zone, right? So that's why the level is exactly where it is. So right now we just need to wait for the pullback and then take it from there. Alright, so that's about that, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. If you would like to learn more about volume profile trading or get your hands on my custom-made indicators, then you want to go to my website. And if you're not interested in the daily live trading room, which is the FTA, which I already showed you, but if you want the self-study courses and the indicators, then go here to trading course and tools, and on this page you can browse my trading education and custom-made trading indicators. You can get them separately in here, or if you scroll down a bit, then there's a combo pack where you can get them all in one discounted bundle. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!